Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the HTML5 special characters or the entity characters. So these special characters or the entity characters are used to display special symbols like less than sign, greater than sign, or copyright sign in web page documents. So these entities can be represented as entity name or the entity number. So like these are the various HTML5 entities. Like this is less than sign, greater than sign, ampersand, double quotation mark. So to represent these marks or these particular mark in the HTML5 programming, we have to use its entity name or its entity number. So like if we want to add this less than sign in HTML programming, so let's see how we can add this. So this program I have designed for this special character. So like here I am adding the less than sign. Simply I am adding this angle bracket for the less than sign. I want to that this sign will be appear here after the special, before the special character. So as I save this program and run this in browser, so here you can see that it doesn't display this particular text here in the browser, the special character, because it doesn't the HTML code doesn't read this arrow sign from here, because we have used the various arrow and enclosed arrow brackets here that are defining the HTML head, title, body. So they have their own meaning for this angle bracket. So to define this less than sign in the HTML programming, we have to use these entity names or the entity numbers. For that, if we like here I have declared this entity name, these are the entity names for a particular sign, and these are the entity number. So we can see from here, for non-breaking space, if we want to add a space in our text in HTML programming, we can use this ampersand and BSP entity name, or we can also write it as a entity number like ampersand hashtag 160. Same way, if we want to add the sent sign in the HTML programming, for that we have to remember this name, its entity name, that is ampersand sent, and we can also write it as the entity number like ampersand hashtag 162. We know that these entity names are easy to remember, so we can use these to declare the different special character. So these are commonly used, like this non-breaking space is commonly used in every HTML programming. So now we can see how these are displayed in the browser. So like here I have declared first one and AMP for the ampersand sign, this and copy for the copyright sign, and send for the sent sign. Next this entity number I declared here to display the euro sign. After that this entity name is for the pound sign. So let's save the program and now run it. Refresh this browser. So now it will display the particular program like this. It's heading special character, and after that it declares the various character, like this is the ampersand sign, copyright, cent, euro, and pound sign. So in this way we can display this special character in HTML programming. So after that we will discuss about the next character, that is the combining diacritical marks. So these diacritical marks can be used in combination with alphanumeric character to produce a character that is not present in the character set used in the web page. So now we can see here these characters that are not displayed in our character set. So for that we have to use this construction or the entity names to display these particular characters in the web page. So these diacritical marks can appear both above and below a letter, inside letter, and between two letters. So to display these particular characters in our HTML programming, we have to remember this entity number. So like I want to display this particular character in HTML programming we have to remember this particular entity number, that is O ampersand hashtag 770. Like, go to the program. Here I'm removing this pound sign and I want to display that particular diacritical mark. O hashtag, sorry, ampersand, then hashtag 770. Now save the program and refresh the browser. So here you can see that it displays this particular diacritical mark here in this HTML programming. So in this way we can add the special character and add the diacritical characters in HTML programming. So this is all about how to add the special characters to the HTML5 programming. Thank you.